Hey guys, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 8. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you are looking for this, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Question number 8. In this exercise, we ask you to find the Sylow peak subgroups of the dihedral group. Is let P be an odd prime that divides n equal to p to the power r. Show that C is the unique Sylow peak subgroups of Dn. Prove the relation. Further find all the elements of the order 2 in Dn. C is find all the Sylow 2 subgroups in Dn when n is all described in terms of x and y. And D is suppose n is even, n equal to 2 to the power km, where let n equal to and h equal to this. Show that n is a subgroup of D, and what is this order? And suppose n is the previous part, find all the Sylow two group subgroups of D and describe them in terms of x and y. Okay, for your information, we have solved all the assignments in the PDF and handwritten form. If you have related to the other queries related to the exam, related to any help, so we are here for help you. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.